Hello and welcome to the final day of the calendar year 2017. Seems like a great time to do a top 10 list. Everyone seems to like such, so therefore top 10 cryptos of 2017. However, to qualify for the list, they must be now in the top 100 market cap. They must have been traded on BitShares and or Polo since June 30th, 2016. Therefore, at least a half a year of trading to be required to have their price settle in from the outset. The tether doesn't count as a coin, so of the top 99, 31 of the 99 coins on there did qualify. But before we go to the top 10, let's take a look at the worst 10 on the list. And MadeSafe, making a little under 10 times through the year, was the worst of these 33. Bitcoin, every other coin but MadeSafe, overperforming that. We also have Factom, Steve, and these other ones available. But notice that even Dogecoin, making about 40 times amount higher, game credits 20 times higher, is making the worst list. So now without further ado, let's go to the top, and here is number 10. And that will be Stellar, which has had gains of 135 times so far. So anything you do with these charts is within your own risk and reward. I'll go through some analysis within such. And these levels, this is priced at around 11 in the morning on New Year's Eve. So there's still 7 hours of trading, but it's not going to make much of a difference. 135 times gains. It had a big rally April into May. Some consolidation breaking past this resistance towards the end of the year and is in a nice uptrend ever since. BitShares is in at number 9, 156 times higher. Its claim to fame this year was a great rally from March into June. Its correctionary phase was there, and since then, nice little rally back to previous high and congesting within that area. Yes, there might be a little bit of further retracement, but it's looking well in how it's holding this run so far. And at number 8 is Vertcoin, up 187 times higher. The rally starting well into March, slowing down a little bit in here. Nice sideways consolidation and one leg higher. And here, sideways, one leg higher, sideways. Very good coin this year, Vertcoin has been. NEM is number 255 times higher. Number 7 on the list, 255 times higher. Great start to 2017 on the outset, topping in May, and a nice long sideways consolidation. It has now broken that pattern. Some might say it's still in the early stages of the break, but over 250 times gains this year on NEM. Number 6 is Digibyte. 263 times higher, and practically all of the gains coming from March into June. Also with a very good bull shape correctionary phase. It has made it up to this level where it is consolidating amongst previous high. Definite reason to think it's got a good chance that it could continue to go higher, of course, as long as it can hold and find good support in this area in here. That's still a bullish case, meaning it's bullish if it happens to go down a little bit on the short-term time frame. At number 5 is Ripple, up 292 times higher, having a great gain in the spring and a very long sideways consolidation through price. And it's just recently had another nice spark, but large gains of close to 300 times. We got 4 more to go. And in at number 4, we have MonaCoin, which is up almost 400 times higher. Each move up, that is, has had a nice sideways correctionary situation. It's in one now. How much longer? Not sure. Will it be a successful correctionary move? Well, all the previous ones so far have been, but it's in at number 4. Let's go to number 3. And that would be Vertcoin. Vertcoin up over 1,000 times higher against the US dollar. It started the year off going sideways into May, and then one massive rally, which had a good sideways correctionary move, and then this rally in here, which is going on now. The two big moves have resulted in a 1,000-time price increase. Pivx is in at number 2, almost 1,500 times higher. And within such, we had a beautiful rally, start of the year, February, March, into April. A sideways consolidation in this case, which trended barely to the upside, but that trend is looking to change now, as it looks like it's in the early stages of a breakout or the change from the break of this sideways consolidation. All right then, so the number 1 coin that has done much better than 1,400 times for the year, drum roll please, I can't do such, but number 1 is that of Verge. Pretty much nothing to something, up almost 10,000 times in gain, 9,000 times as a more accurate number. I had a great gain May into June into July, but May and June. And then just recently now we have seen another large gain, a little bit of consolidation so far, but this is a little bit of consolidation, and this is a lot more consolidation. Maybe a lot more is needed. Price decline, or that most certainly could come into play, but this has been an amazing large increase with over 9,000 times gain. Put $1,000 on it, you got 9 million. Of course, when you start really early, it does become tempting to take profits off the table. There's nothing wrong with stating maybe you did have $1,000 worth and you're worth 4 or 5 million because you profit took some on the first rally. So be it. However, your trading style is the one you choose, and I'm going to finish this video. Thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great year. Bye-bye.